Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you already been around, thank you for coming back. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I will be dyeing my hair. So I figured that this would be a really good video to start off 2024 because I have not dyed my hair since 2022 of October. So I only dyed my hair once. It was my first time dyeing my hair, so it was well overdue. I definitely had no plans on growing out the color. I love my color. Now, if you know me, you know I love red, and red was the color that I dyed my hair the first time. If you did not see that video, I'll go ahead and link it up above right here, and we're gonna get all into the details. So if you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned. So here we are. As you can tell, I have so much new growth from the last time I dyed my hair. All I'm going to go ahead and do is just take down each section. I'm going to detangle each section, and the reason why I do this is so that when I do start to do the dyeing part of everything, it can take better to my hair because there's no knots and tangles and all of that. So I'm just going to put my hair back up into 4 sections, and then I'm going to start the dyeing process. So to dye my hair, I'm using what I used previously, which is from L'Oreal Techniques. It's their high color highlights. I'm using 2 boxes of the red and 1 box of the magenta, along with the Ion 40 developer, because the 40 doesn't really process my hair too fast. And of course, I gotta apply some of the petroleum jelly around the perimeter of my hair, so that way it doesn't stain my scalp. So of course I'm applying gloves, and then within each of the 4 sections I'm going into smaller sections with applying the actual dye itself. Now the technique that I used this time was what I used the first time, which was applying the dye not all the way up into my roots at first, but applying it from, you know, a quarter of the way down all the way to the ends of my hair. And then after I did that to each and every section, I went ahead and went to do my roots. Now the roots does process a little bit faster because of the heat from the scalp. But what I should have done, because I had my ends already previously dyed, I should have just went from the roots all the way up into where the color is, the previous color is, and then the second time around I should have went and applied it on the previous color, because you will see that my ends are much brighter than my roots. But lesson learned, and that's what I'm just gonna go ahead and do next time. But I'm not mad at the results, but I just wish I would have just did it that way. Initially I was gonna let this sit on my hair for 30 minutes, but I let it sit closer to an hour just so I can get it as bright as I could get it. But it did not turn out exactly how I wanted it, but that's totally fine. Lesson learned. But I am going to top it with the Adore Semi-Permanent. I'm going in with the color Truly Red and Ruby Red. And this was actually the next day from when I originally dyed my hair. So I was aiming for this to go a little bit brighter with the Adore Semi-Permanent. But again, it did not turn out exactly how I envisioned, how I thought. But I think that was just, again, all due to me not allowing the original dye to sit on my hair to make it as bright as it could be. But again, no pressure, no sweat. I'm still happy with my results. So these are the products that I use to actually wash my hair, which will be all linked down below. And then I'm going in with the Kinky Tresses Coconut Mango Hair Butter to actually style my hair. I didn't want to do nothing crazy with my hair because my hair was still in shock from the actual dyeing process. So I just simply did a twist out and just let it be until I was ready to take my hair down. So as you all seen from the beginning of this video, these are my results. This is how my hair turned out. I don't remember how much footage I got, but you all just saw it. So I took down my hair today, which has been 2 days since I had those twists installed. So technically this is day 3 hair. Now there are some areas that I just missed out on, and that was simply because I didn't have enough color, and I thought I should have got me 1 more box, but that's neither here nor there. I know better for next time. My hair is so soft, fluffy. I'm thinking about doing ginger later on down the road, but I'm not quite sure because I'm really still feeling the red. But you let me know if I should try it, and I'll think about it later on down the road. If you are not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on weekly uploads. Again, thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for making it this far in the video. And until next time, bye.